Hello, hello. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. Just got off of church. Just go to church. You know, I'm a Christian. Now I'm gonna go and grab some iced tea again before we head back home for some lunch. So, today's topic is about safety. Safety, yeah. It's not any kind of safety, but you know, safety on the street. And not on any street in here, in Hanoi City or in Vietnam in general. So safety is you know, is a big deal. If you don't gear yourself up good with safety equipment when you go on a ride, or it's really dangerous, you know. So what's the difference here in Hanoi City with the rest of the world about safety? As you guys can see right away, it is not a lot of people care about safety around here. The most common thing that you will see, like this lady over here, is no helmet. And she not even, and she can hear the horn. Or this guy, he doesn't even wear a helmet, even though he has one hanging on the side of his bike, but he's not wearing it. So people here is not consider that is that safety is the most important thing when it's coming to commuting on the street. People here, they spend more money to buy a case for their phone, but not for their head, you know. So there are some people that doesn't even like to wear a helmet, you know, just to keep their hair, you know, flowing in the wind, keep their hair on top-notch condition when they go to a party or when they go somewhere to see someone. But even when you do wear a helmet, like this couple right here, it's just some cheap-ass plastic helmet, which is not even have any protection, just some you know, just some sunshade. Those helmets cost around $1, $1 US for one helmet. So that's cheap. They were ready to spend, like, you know, 10 to 20 bucks for a freaking phone case. So that's 10 times or 20 times more than protecting their head. But you know, it is a common thing here, but people seems to don't really care about it. Even the police, they saw it and they don't even, you know, do anything about it, because there's a lot of people wearing that type of helmet. I'm gonna say around 90% of the helmet on the street here is not even DOT or ECE or whatever approval. They're just basically just a plastic shell with some foam put on your head, and that's it. Some guy even ride with a bicycle helmet. I wanna say it's understandable because it is really hot, so people don't want to sweat and wet all their hair, but you know, they don't really care about safety. Of course, here we don't have the biggest street. We don't go the fastest, so they don't really care about safety. It's, you know, understandable, but still, you know, we don't have the highway, we don't have the freeway, and the traffic here, you cannot go above 30 miles per hour when you go in the city, because there's always someone right in front of you or trying to pull out right in front of you, so you cannot go that fast. So it's understandable that those helmets exist and people use them, but as far as the real kind of safety concern, people don't really care about it, you know. Like that guy right there, he don't even wear a helmet, just the regular hat. If you go around the city, you will maybe in 10 people, you will just find one person with a full face helmet on, maybe another one with a 3/4 helmet on, and the rest is just, you know, cheap plastic put on their head. That said, it's not just the helmet, it's to keep you safe. You see me, I'm wearing gloves as well, even though it is so fucking hot out here, but I'm still wearing gloves with some hard shell to protect it, even when I'm riding in the city. And also I'm wearing a full face helmet to keep myself safe, you know. People say I'm overdoing it. You're just going slow. You're never gonna do any speeding. You're not gonna fall. But hey, with this type of road, with all the gunk and shit and stuff on the road, you might hit it. You go sideways. You go down. Then what happened? You're gonna mess your day up, or you're gonna mess your head up, your hand up. So safety is important, but the people here doesn't seem to care about it that much, you know. No matter what the government do, they will just don't care. I mean, like, sometimes I do wear those cheap ass $1 helmet, but you know, just sometimes. Most of the time you would catch me on the street with a full face helmet on, sometimes even with a camera attached on it, and just, you know, mopping around like a crazy person. It is really rare that you catch me without a helmet on, because like I'm used to it now. I'm used to, you know, having something on my head to protect it, even though it's a $1 helmet or a full face helmet. I'm really used to have something on my head to protect me when I'm out on the road, on the street. I can't go out without a helmet on, or at least some type of helmet, you know. But that is what the people here are used to, you know. No helmet, cheap helmet. The bottom line is safety is not a high concern here in Hanoi City. I'm gonna go straight out and say it like that, you know. Even though some people will disagree with me, or some people will say, yeah, you're Vietnamese too, you live here too, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. Safety on the street is not the most thing that people concern here. People concern more about their phone, about where they're going, how they look, not the helmet or the safety. So on my video you will see that like that guy over there almost hit me because he was busy on his fucking phone. So on my video you guys will see a lot of people doesn't wear a helmet or doesn't wear a proper helmet going around the city. That's that. That's the topic for today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, grab another cup of iced tea to cool me down before it gets 80 or 85 degrees out here. Okay, I'm out. Peace.